everyone, my name is Shelby. When I first heard of Anu Kri, I was at a point in my life where I was very heartbroken. I felt like I really didn't have a sense of direction, and I was just at a very low place in my life, so to speak. And this is all like emotionally and spiritually. Like physical life, everything was fine. It was just there was something that was missing. So from the first moment that I experienced Anu Kri energy healing at the Entelechea Center, it changed my life. Like I knew it was going to change my life, but I didn't realize just how much. I started coming every Wednesday as much as I could. I was here just writing along in my notepad, just various like different things. And what I came to realize with that was a lot of the stuff that what my intuition was saying, I would, a few days later at the Wednesday night Anu Kri sessions, something very similar or the same message would come about. And so I started seeing how it was transforming me from the minute like cellular levels as far as like inner child healing, inner teen healing, and quite literally reflecting out and making such a positive impact for me. The way that I used to read before I was attuned to Anu Kri is completely different than how I read now. The way that I channeled before is completely, different than, how I do now. And I knew that once it was determined that we would be or there would be opportunities for Anu Kri certifications, I knew without a doubt after the first few nights coming and first few experiences with it that I was absolutely meant to do this and utilize it in my practice, utilize it in my medicine, my meditative state for me, but also to help others as well. I'm all about service to others as much as I can be, because that's why we're here. That's why we have these gifts. And the way that it's just transformed my life. I'm much more vibrant now. I'm much more assertive now. I'm not crying and bent out of shape over minute like tower moments happening. The way that it's helped me be able to navigate so much of my practice, not just on a spiritual standpoint, but an overall mental and emotional health and well-being standpoint too. It's just something that is truly one of the best gifts that is a part of this 3D human reality experiences. And if there's anyone out there who is, feeling any kind of way of how I was feeling or similar, I would absolutely encourage you to, if you are feeling the pull, if you are feeling the nudge, it's not just in your head, you're not delulu, you're not crazy, you're not overthinking it. It very well may actually be a nudge to get you on this path. And even if you don't end up becoming, the world's most renowned Anu Kri practitioner, it's still something that you can use in multiple different ways. You can, use it in, cooking, creating. It doesn't have to be solely energy practice on clients. The way that it comes out for me, it comes out strongly in the way, that I channel, the way that I read for others, the way that I'm able to use my vessel as a way to connect to source and just deliver whatever messages need to come out. So again, if you are thinking about getting attuned to this or even experiencing it, I would absolutely encourage you to do so.